1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Middle rack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Top rack. Look like 20 BMX freestyles, 24 mountain bikes, maybe a couple of cruisers. Let's go in the stock room and see what's available. End of the day, assembly. Brakes are good. Handlebars are good. Seats are secured. No complications. No issues with gear shifts. No issues with derailleurs. No issues with brakes. All tests good.
Plus, you can get up to an additional 20% off just for shopping today. Fred Meyers Jewelers, because the right gift means everything. The associate for details.
Excellence in progress. Just need to return to do these last 4. My battery pack died in my portable pump, and so if anything I have to find a stronger pump. But the portable pump that I am using with the battery pack definitely saves time. Out of 6 months, this is the first time that it ran out of power in order to get the tires pumped to specs, which is very important. So other than that, excellence in progress. Workmanship, I'm satisfied. I can honestly say I feel in good conscience safe to allow these bikes to be sold. Safe in operation, safe in assembly, and safe in brakes, especially disc brakes. Have a great day.